Hello friends, welcome back. I was just popping down to the lake here for a coffee and to get some drone footage of the ice, and I thought maybe the people of YouTube will enjoy this. So here we are, brought you along for the ride. Beautiful morning. I'm not sure what the temperature is. It's quite chilly. We've had a few cold nights, so the lake is well and truly freezing over. But we also had a splash of snow yesterday, which is probably going to ruin the photos. I think we're just going to get a complete sheet of white out there, but we'll have a look anyway. It may still be nice. And we are boiling by the sounds of it. We're also melting the handle, which I forgot about. Hold on. Better coffee today, not the crap in a bag. Cheers. Oh, that's better. It's nice to get some sun on the face though. We don't get this, even though our house is only 5 minutes from here. It's probably 3 kilometers away. If that, 2. We don't get the sun anymore. So if we want it, we have to drive to the other side of the village. We lose the sun on our plot from about the beginning of November right into January, middle of January. Not great when you're trying to live off solar panels. At least it's still here though. I don't think I'd want to live much further north when you lose the sun completely. That would be hard work. We'll be going up there soon though. Experience the polar night a little bit. So I'll bring you along for that, of course. And I do plan on getting out for an overnighter towards the end of this week. I'm not going to be staying here today. I'm just popping down for an hour or something. But I want to do a cold weather test with it. I think the temperatures are going to be getting a bit lower. I mean, we had -18 the other night, so you know, I want to test it in around -20, make sure everything works, which I'm sure it will, but you got to test these things. Sorry about the sunglasses, but if I wasn't wearing them I'd probably be blind by now. It's very bright when the sun's out. Okay, I'm going to finish my coffee, enjoy this last sliver of sun, and then see what we can see with the eye in the sky. Should be quite nice, even if the ice isn't playing ball. Enjoy. I do appreciate that some people on here, you have to remember, although this seems normal to some people who have grown up in this environment, but to others, they will never experience something like this in their entire life. So that's why I get a lot of pleasure out of sharing these things. Obviously I'm not going to go walking out onto this just yet. My gauge is when I see someone else from the village going across it slowly with a snowmobile. Not quick, because some lunatics will go flat out across this even when it's water. Just out for a Sunday drive, then I know it's probably safe to walk on. But until then, not a chance. But it is very much safe to do that once it's frozen. I mean, last winter we cross-country skied right across the middle of it. Look at this, skiing across the lake in the moonlight. This is pretty cool. But it just still blows my mind, even though I was the one doing it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little coffee break, 5-10 minutes, and I'll let you carry on with your day. See you soon.